Welcome to something you've probably never seen before, a forest hideaway in the heart of Los Angeles. I'm Global Lux Home, and today we're stepping inside a one-of-a-kind architectural mansion that blends the lush greenery of nature with the glamour of city living. Nestled mid-city, yet feeling a world away, this is a home that challenges everything you think you know about Los Angeles luxury. Stay with me, you won't believe what's around the next corner. As we approach the property, you immediately feel the calm of the forest. Mature oaks, ferns, dappled sunlight, yet the city grid is just minutes away. The mansion sits on a generous plot, beautifully landscaped to maintain a natural, organic setting. The architecture cleverly uses large expanses of glass and natural stone, so the house appears to emerge from the surrounding foliage rather than dominate it. Note the deep overhangs, the timber beams reaching into the canopy, and the way light filters through the leaves onto the facade. This exterior space is more than just a home's entry. It's your front row seat to nature in full view. Floating through the front door, you arrive in the foyer. Tall ceilings, clean lines, a feeling of arrival that immediately shifts your mindset from city hustle to serene retreat. And then, step into the great room. Here, floor-to-ceiling windows frame a panoramic view of lush treetops, giving the sensation of being suspended in the forest. The living space is open, generous, with a palette of warm woods, polished concrete, and black metal accents that ground the design. Imagine lounging here on a quiet afternoon, glass of wine in hand, the soft hum of the city far off in the distance, yet the rustle of leaves close by enveloping you. This is urban luxury reimagined. Just off the living area is the heart of the home, the kitchen and dining zone. It's a chef's dream, an oversized island with waterfall edge, integrated appliances that disappear into the design, custom wood veneer cabinets, and vast counters that invite cooking, entertaining, living. The dining area sits next to glass doors that open onto a terrace, so whether you're having a quiet breakfast or hosting a dinner party, the backdrop is the same: treetops and filtered light. The designer clearly prioritized connection to nature, indoors and out. And speaking of entertaining, from this space you have direct access to an outdoor lounge and fireplace cluster. We'll see it up close in a moment. Moving down the private corridor, you reach the master suite, a space of calm, thoughtful luxury. The room is spacious, yet intimate thanks to timber ceilings and ambient lighting. The views don't stop. A private balcony overlooks the leafy canopy, perfect for early morning coffee or late-night sky gazing. The ensuite uses natural stone, matte fixtures, and a freestanding tub positioned to soak in the view. The walk-in closet is hidden behind sleek doors, adding to the clean, uncluttered feeling. It's worth noting how the architects balanced openness and privacy. Large glazed walls connect you to the outdoors, but clever use of setbacks and vegetation ensures you're still in your own sanctuary. And now for the features that turn a beautiful house into a true mansion. Step outside to the terrace, an infinity-edge pool seemingly vanishing into the forest backdrop, an outdoor kitchen built for summer nights, a hidden fire pit lounge tucked among the trees. Inside, there's a dedicated home theater wing, a gym overlooking the greenery, and smart home systems that control everything from lighting scenes to climate zones, all designed to make life seamless, elegant, effortless. But maybe the most impressive feature isn't technology or luxury finishes. It's the way this home invites you every day to slow down, to reconnect. In the bustle of Los Angeles, that kind of stillness is rare. Yes, this is a forest mansion, but it's still inside Los Angeles. You've got access to the city's best restaurants, galleries, and nightlife, and yet your home is tucked away, accessible, but hidden. Whether you're a busy professional needing privacy, a family wanting space, or someone seeking a creative retreat, this home offers that unique mix: city convenience and forest serenity. Picture weekend hikes in the nearby hills, weekday evenings at trendy downtown spots, and then coming home into this natural cocoon of calm. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of Los Angeles's most unique properties, a mansion where architecture and nature meet, where the city meets the forest. If you're curious about more homes like this, or you'd like to schedule a private tour, just hit the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what was your favorite space in the house? Until next time, I'm Global Lux Home, reminding you that sometimes the city's best hideaways are right in plain sight. See you on the next one.